Here we are going to find a number. If we take the half of that number and we add 49 into that number, it will be 2 whole 1 by 4. It becomes 2 whole 1 by 4 of that number. So how we will solve it? Let's check. So the given condition is required number. First of all, what we are going to find, the sum of half of a number. We'll just leave it right here. Required number. That is x. Okay, can you please put something here? Okay, fine. Required number is x. Half of the number, if you take half of this number, half of this number, so how we will write it? 1 by 2 of x means we will take the 1 by half of this number, right? So what is the given condition here? Given condition is if 2 whole 1 by 4 of the number is equal to sum of half of the number, half of a number plus 49. Okay, means this side is equal to this side. So how we will solve this equation? 2 whole 1 by 4 x is equal to 1 by 2x plus 49. So it is quite simple. We have already done all these equations in 5p.
Yes.
Okay, first of all we'll open this mixed number. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 1 make 9. 9 by 4x is equal to 1 by 2x plus 49. So what we need to find, we are going to find a value of this x here. So we will take this x fraction here into the left hand side. First we will shift it. It will be written like this: 9 by 4x, and we'll shift it here. It will change its sign. It will be minus 1 by 2x. Okay, 1 by 2x is equal to 49. So x minus 1 by 2x. I have told you so many times, when we have two fractions and there is minus plus between them, so which method we use? LCM.
Yes.
Which method we use?
LCM.
I will just take the LCM here, right? So it is 9 by 4 and this is 1 by 2. We'll take the LCM. When we'll take the LCM, it will be 4.
Okay.
As you know, 4 is bigger than 2 and 4 also comes in the table of 2. So definitely the LCM will be 4. So this 2 is also should be equal to 4. So we will multiply this 2 with 2. 2 by 2, and the upper side will also divided by that number.
Oh,
Alright.
I know it.
Exactly. 9 will be written like as it is, and minus is there, and 2 ones are 2. And when we'll do the calculation, it will be 7 by 4. So answer will be 7 by 4.
7 by
I will just
4.
write it here. It will be, when we do the take the LCM, answer will be 7 by 4 x. 7 by 4 x. Now this 7 by 4x is equal to 49. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Alright. So can I have the eraser?
Yes.
I will just erase it off. Okay.
I like fractions.
And now we'll solve the rest of the question here. Alright. So 7 by 4x is equal to 49. I will just write it here. 7 by 4x is equal to 49. So I have told you so many times, when something is on the division place, we always use it to multiplication, and when something is on the multiplication place, we shift it on the division place. So this 4 will be multiplied by 49 and this 7 is divided by 49. Now we will change their place. Alright, I will just write this 49 here. We will multiply this 4 here and we'll divide this 7 here, and this x will be alone.
He don't have any friend.
He doesn't have any friend. Right? Now 49 multiplied by 4. Just do it. 49 First of all, we will simplify. Okay.
Okay.
7 ones are 7 and 7 sevens are 49. Right? Now there is nothing, so we cannot touch this 4. Now 4 sevens are.
4 sevens are 49.
Wow. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are
28.
28. Right? Now we found the value of x here. Right? Okay, so our required number was 28. Right? So this is the answer. Alright, now we will start the next question. Question is, question number 9.
Yes.
When a number is multiplied by 4 before subtracting from 68, okay,
Okay.
the result obtained is the same as 3 times the sum of the number and 4.
Okay.
Find the number. So they are giving this 68 just to make us confused. Right? So what we are going to find, there is a number. When we will multiply that number by 4, okay, so let's make the expressions first. Alright, take away this book.
Okay, I'm.
Let me check. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
First of all, what we are going to find, whenever they will say that there is a number, there is a person, there are some people, there are some cars, we always write the first statement, we start required number. But our requirement is, there is a number which is hidden here.
Okay.
Okay. The required number is x. Right? Required number is x. Number multiplied by 4. When we will find this number, after that we will multiply this number by 4. So we'll just write it here. Number multiplied
By 4.
multiplied by 4 is equal to, how we will write this expression? 4 multiplied by this number means x. 4 multiplied by x. After that, they have given us one more condition, sum of the number and 4. After that, when we will multiply this number, we will get a number. After that, we will take the sum, means we will add that number into 4. So, how we will prepare the expression? Sum
It's interesting.
of the number, sum of the number and 4
4.
is equal to, it means we will take this x here, this is the number, na?
Yes.
And we will add it into
4.
4. Okay, now we have prepared another expression. So what they have given us, given condition, what we need to find is, given condition is 3 times the sum of the number and 4. 3 times the sum
Of the number.
of the number and 4
And
4 is equal to,
is equal.
I will just write it here. How we will prepare this expression here, 3 times the sum of the number. Here we took the sum, na? Look here. Here we took the sum, na? X plus 4. First of all, we write here x plus 4. This is the sum of the number. And they said 3 times, it is 3 times bigger now. So
Yeah.
we'll just put this 3 here. Multiply kar denge na?
Okay.
We will multiply this expression by 3. 3 into x plus 4.
3
Okay?
into x plus 4.
Exactly. Now solve it.
Looks
They
like
said this 4x number multiplied by 4. Okay? First of all, we will multiply this number. After that, we will subtract this number from 68.
68.
Okay? Means 68 minus 4x. 4x will be
Minus
taken out from 68 here. And it will be equal to this expression. 3 into x plus 4.
Oh.
Alright. Means this side is equal to this side. First of all, we will find this one. After that, we will take it out from 68. The answer will be equal. Alright, so 3x plus 3 4s are 12. Okay, let's arrange this question. We will take this 3x and 12 here is equal to 68 minus 4x. So we are going to find the value of this x here.
Okay.
So this is 3x. We'll take this minus 4x to this side. It will be written like 4x plus 12 is equal to 68 here. Okay, when we do the calculation it will be 7x. Now what we are going to remove from here, we will take this 12 to the right hand side. Okay, now we will take to, in the next step we will take this 12 to right hand side.
Right.
7x is equal to 68 and we'll shift it here and it will be minus 12. When we'll do the calculation, it will be 8 में से 2 गए, it will be 6 and 1 out of 6 it will be 5. 56. Okay, 7x is equal to 56 here. Now what we are going to find the value of x here. So both of them are multiplying with each other.
Okay.
Right? We will take the 7 on the division place in the next step. X is equal to 56 and this 7 will be shifted here. And now say the table of 7. Yes, Dani.
7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 25, meaning 7 5s are 30, 7 6s are 37.
Wow. Dani,
What?
that's it. X is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Right? So what we found here? X is equal to 8. Our answer is solved. A man is 6 times as old as his son.
Okay.
Okay. If, for example, if the son is 5 years old, the father is 6 times as old as his son. It means we will multiply 5 by 6. Okay. 20 years later. Now 20 years passed. The man will be twice as old as his son. After 20 years, for example, the boy after 20 years, this boy will be,
I will be 25.
right now he is 5 years. After 20 years he will be 25 now.
Oh, I know that.
25 now. If he is 25, then father will be double of his age, right?
Yeah.
So in this way we will solve this question.
Got it.
Okay, so we will make algebraic expressions here. Let's solve. Okay, so the first of all, age of son.
First we will write the age of sun. Then
Age
the
of son we don't know. Age of son
We
x
don't know.
years we don't know.
Next year.
Right? Age of man, again we don't know. Age of man we
We
don't
have
know.
to find their age.
Exactly, age of man we don't know, but they have given us a condition that he is 6 times of his son's age. Okay, so how we will write the expression 6 multiplied by x. 6 multiplied by
X.
years.
Meaning
Okay, the next is age of son 20 years later. Age of sun 20 years later. It means 20 plus x. 20 plus
X.
years.
Years.
And we always write variable here and the other side is for
20.
consonant. So it will be written like this. X plus 20. And after 20 years what will be father's age? After father's age after 20 years. Father's age after 20 years. Yes, answer.
30.
It will be 6x because we will multiply this x now.
Oh.
6x plus 20
Mistaken.
years. Y for years, right? So how we will solve it? Age of man 20 years later and age of son 20 years later. Now we will put the expressions here. This is for age of man
Age of man.
20 years later.
20 years late.
20 years later is equal to twice the age of sun. After 20 years, this man's age will be twice the age of sun.
Okay.
Right? 20 years later. 20 years later. Okay. Now, according to the mathematical equation, 6x plus 20 means man's age after 20 years. 6x plus 20.
Man.
And here he will be twice as the age of his son. So here we will put the age of the sun after 20 years. Age of the sun after 20 years, and we will multiply his age by
X.
2.
Oh, 2.
Right? So this side will be equal to this side. Here what we are going to find? We are going to find the age of the man after 20 years. Okay? So this is the age of the man after 20 years, and here they said it will be as twice as the age of the sun after 20 years. Okay? Fine, you got it. Now first of all we'll open this bracket. 6x plus 20 is equal to 2x and plus 40 here. So what we are going to find here? We are going to find the value of x here.
Okay.
So according to the corresponding method, we will solve this equation. Now this 6x, we will take this 2x here, it will be minus 2x. 6x minus 2x is equal to, we'll take this 20 to this side, it will be minus 20. Now solve it. It will be 4x is equal to 20. Okay. And
Okay.
x is equal to, we will divide it on both sides. Okay, 20 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 5s are
5.
20.
Yeah, I
4
know.
5s are 20. X is equal to 5.
20.
X is equal to
5.
5. Now we found the age of boy. So this, what we found here, the age of
Boy.
boy. Right now this boy is 5 years
5 years
old.
old.
5 years
And his father is?
old. This x was the son. Now they have given us condition कि what we need to find? We need to find the age of the man
Yeah.
when his son was born. So now it becomes very simple because we have found the main thing here. What we are going to find? Age of son. First of all, we write here age of son right now. What is that?
5.
5 years. If he is 5 years, then what will be the father's age? They said the father's age is, no beta, they said father's age is 6 times more than 5. Okay, so what we will do? We will multiply 6 by 5 and it will be 30. It means right now the boy is 5 years and the father is 30 years.
When-
And if you take 5, it means when he was born, it means we will take away this 5 out of 30. We'll take this 5 out of 30. We'll take away the year of boy out of the father's age. Then it will be 25. It means when this boy was born, at that time, what was the father's age?
25.
25.
And when he got 5 years old, the father's age got 30.
When boy was born, father's age was
25.
25.
And when he got 5 years old, the father's age was 30.
30.
And when he will get 10 years
After 20 years,
after 20 years,
he will be 25 now. So what will be father's age?
50.
50. Very good. Yes,
right.
very nice.
I know
After
tables.
20 years, he will be 50. And it
He
is
will be
the
so old.
Exactly.